Hello everyone! Today we are going to make a dog bed. For this we can use different types of fabric or fleece fabric, but in this case we are going to use a blanket in which the mother of our pet had slept, so it has her odor on it. We get the blanket, fold it in half. We sew almost all the edge of the blanket, leaving a little space open to put the stuffing inside. We turn it around. We put first a little stuffing for the center and sew the blanket all around it, leaving the stuffing inside, and leaving a space of approximately 15 to 20 centimeters from the edge to the sewing. Once the center is sewed, we are going to put now stuffing around the edge. It has to be a lot of stuffing this time, so that the edge raises a little bit up, and once we are filling it all up, we can sew it by hand. And that's all. The dog bed is ready, and once our pet tries it will always want to sleep in it. Please like us if you love this video and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.